I'm in two positions now. It's ICP, long, and Arbitrum. So this is my entry. This is liquidation prices. And of course, I add some stop loss, but maybe I will or remove the stop loss and work with liquidation because I opened the position with that amount of money, what I'm ready to lose. But it was just a second or third leverage. So it's more than okay. And the second position is here. So it's for the Arbitrum. It's not a recommendation to copy that entries. Now, in both of these assets, I'm in tiny profit. So the target where I would like to fix the ICP is around the $4.40. So around the 100% profit, I'm going to close my futures position. Of course, the main targets way higher. We talked about earlier, for the ICP. That's why I would like to show you locally, is it okay still open trade or wait correction lower? Of course, we like always got a chances, guys, drop even lower because, it's so unpredictable market. And so we can see any case scenario. And of course, it depends of Donald Trump, big Donald. So under we didn't retest the order block. So technically, this is what I don't like. We almost closed the full fill, the daily gap. So this gap is done. The next, this one is going to be the next order block here. What we can test, and definitely I think we will test yearly open $2.84. Yearly open this one, on 26, and the test of order block. So keep in mind, guys, we can see even something like this one. So we sweep the test previous day high. We can see that drop to the order block, consolidate, and only after that rebound. So if you want to open trade now, you should be ready. See the potential drop like 13% or 10%. That's why I opened the position with the second lever. So it will be more than okay for me to see even the 20%, for example, drop. My position, my entry around here, of course. So it's, yes, it could be like 18% minus, negative. And I'm ready to see that drop. But if it's a second leverage, if you open a trade with, for example, 10x, it's going to be your liquidation. So just be careful, or you can work with a second leverage, but with a 10 leverage, but with that amount of money, what are you ready to lose? So this is a pretty simple math. So the leverage absolutely means nothing, technically. So only the size of position. Higher targets, of course, definitely this is the main liquidity pool. It's 482, but I'm probably going to close some part of position, maybe the 50%, add that stop loss to the break even when we pass the yearly open and after 100%. So 460, 440, I'm gonna close the 50% of my position and maybe leave there some extra money. But of course, it depends of the situation in the market, because if I will see something like this one in May, definitely gonna close it, because probably anyway we're gonna see the boring summer. I guess we're going lower this summer. So next 2 months, so this month and the next month, April and May, I hope we're going to see something like this one, at least. Maybe this summer correction to $2.30. The negative case scenario, if we drop under $2 again, but it's possible. So I hope, anyway, this liquidity pool will be swept really soon. The EMAs, guys, definitely we go now and test 50 EMA, 100, 200. That's why I'm more bullish now than bearish. Weekly time frame, we also saw on the rated here, 420 is a test, just a test again to 50 EMA. 200 EMA on a weekly is 1167. So over than this. So also, I will be not surprised if we will see something like this one and drop it this summer. So 2 case scenarios, guys. Like usual, we always work only with the probabilities. It's only you take an action or not. You just wait on the sideline or not. Yesterday, I made a mistake with the algorithm. So I opened the correct. I waited so long. I traded, and the last trade on algo, I opened it at 8 cents. It's pumped it to, I don't know, 870, 850. I closed that position because I thought we're going down again, but we didn't. And the algo is correct. It's higher over than 10 cents. So guys, you take an action or not, and even if you take an action in a close position earlier, it's also an action, and it's not bad, just an experience. So sometimes we can see the position, like you open a position and it's going to your stop loss. So it's also possible. That's why, guys, anyway, 50%, 50 EMA on a weekly 423. This is like a target. This is like a magnet for the price. Monthly time frame EMAs, guys, 50 here. It's 1142. So everything will be around like $10 again. So it will be not a mistake to fix some profit there. Take a look, guys, with other indicators. It's ADZ direction. This is a neutral zone on the weekly, so it's not bearish. This is accumulation by direction indicator. By the way, they 6 days ago launched the ICP governance up application, and the Internet Computer Token, ICP, serves a crucial role in this ecosystem. Honestly, I don't think so. It's something special, something what should help the ICP pump like crazy. No, because we got a lot of tokens with that governance system. The Polkadot, the people always vote for something and it won't help at all. So the key point of that governance, I think, is like they treat you to buy the token because you can vote. You got like rights to vote for something. You feel like you're a part of the ecosystem. But it means nothing, If you're a long-term holder, makes sense. Makes sense to buy and vote, maybe reduce the supply or something. So ADZ, it's neutral zone. Daily also neutral. So that's why I opened at the position, because if we drop lower, yes, of course, we can drop even under $1. But I take an action because here was accumulation. We formed divergence here. And I think we close to the daily gap, and I think we will go to the next order block in the yearly open, because no some sell signal now on direction or ADZ. Nice one. Markets mood, money power, guys. Definitely, it's just a optimism. Here was a money inflow and just a hopium optimism on a markets mood, and a still capitulation on a weekly time frame. And here's a money in, was just in February. Now nothing. So just be careful. Highly recommended, just add alerts and track it. Trade on. Let me check. What I don't like, we didn't see the signal take profit. So this is kind of scary, because if I hope next week or this week, we're going to see that money back and a signal to buy. But here, we didn't see the signal to take profit from that sell still. So it can be the bad signal. But anyway, we need to wait. We need to wait the confirmation. On the daily, yes, we saw the signal sell, money back, buy. No signal to sell again on a daily. That's why I think really soon we will see the confirmed signal money back. It means we need to close all short positions and stop selling the ICP on a spot, and we will see the new signal to buy on a weekly. A daily, guys. Yes, this is a daily buy line. It's $1.85. Take profit. It's $3.66. Weekly, we saw underrated. So fundamental value is $2.97. And the test here in the recent videos I showed you. So yes, this is like a trend line, downtrend line, and the test of take profit line 794. It's a take profit line on take profit indicator. Guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap us in a comment what you think about ICP. If you'd like to trade with my custom indicator side, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.